Your moving checklist and the things you almost forgot. You've been so busy with all this purchasing stuff, have you taken the time to consider the other things you can be doing to help your move go more smoothly? Bet not. Many may say that the moving starts with packing your non-essential belongings. I believe that there are 3 steps that come before you even physically start putting things in boxes. To begin, you've made the decision to move, and that's going to affect all areas of your personal life, depending on the nature of your move. If you're simply moving to a new home in the same town, you certainly have less goodbyes to give, but maybe you need to reconsider where you'll be shopping. Have you looked into the schools in the new area? Garbage pickup, increased taxes? Think of all the basic things that are going to change with this move and make a plan to organize them. If you're moving away from your current city or area, you should begin to prepare your friends, family, co-workers, social gathering partners, and religious congregations. The truth is that people love you, or at least really enjoy your company, and saying goodbye is gonna be tough. Starting earlier and having the opportunity to spend time with everyone you won't regularly see can really lift the emotional stress of the move. Moving houses is also a great time to take an inventory of your personal belongings. Do you have things lying around your house that you don't use anymore? Are you plagued by old clothes, kids, bicycles, and toys and decorations that don't really match your new home? Consider having a yard sale, posting unwanted items for sale online, or donating them to people who are in need. There's little more frustrating than getting to your new home to unpack while realizing you have so many things you don't need anymore, and perhaps some you never wanted in the first place. Now that you've narrowed the inventory of household goods, consider what you'll be packing and in what order. Consider packing all the non-essential items, extra clothes, decorations, and recreational belongings first. This gives you time to carefully wrap valuable items for safe transport. Also consider what you'll be packing these items in. Classically, many people use cardboard boxes. These can work for short transit periods, but will weaken over time with weight, moisture, and the possibility of attracting insects. It's a good idea to use large plastic totes in place of cardboard boxes to save on your belongings wear and tear and provide cleaner storage options for valued goods. If you aren't in a position to purchase totes or boxes, or simply want to be as frugal as possible, check with your local restaurants and grocery stores for old boxes they no longer need. You would be surprised by how many companies do not save cardboard boxes and are happy to let you have them instead. You can now continue to pack up what you can, leaving only your essential living items for the last day of occupancy in your old house. With everything boxed or toted up, you or your movers can save loads of time on moving day by not worrying about what goes where. Labels will also be your best friend. Before you've vacated your house, be sure that you have arranged for utilities to be put on in your name and terminated wherever you're moving from. It can sometimes take companies up to a week to fully transfer services, longer for internet service providers, so be sure to give them plenty of notice. Consider your internet provider, cable company, electric and water company, gas company, pest control companies, and lawn maintenance companies if applicable. Be sure to be a good host to whoever will be living in your house next by doing a final clean of the place and fixing any things that are quick, easy, and need to be fixed. If you've agreed contractually to any repairs, make sure you've done those to completion as well. Last but certainly not least, I believe it's a great idea to spend your last night in your old house relaxing and remembering the good times you had there. Take this time to rest and be with your family and friends, as the next few days will have you repeating this process in reverse in your new home. If you enjoyed these topics, subscribe, like, check out the next video.